Curved surface area of first term.
Curved surface area of first term is equals to pi L into in bracket R1 plus R2.
Total surface area of first term.
Total surface area of first term is equals to pi L into in bracket R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square.
Volume of first term.
Volume of first term is equals to 1/3 pi H into in bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2.
Curved surface area of cylinder.
Curved surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH.
Curved surface area of cone.
Curved surface area of cone is equals to pi RL.
Total surface area of cylinder.
Total surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi R into in bracket R plus L R plus H.
Total surface area of cone.
Total surface area of cone is equals to pi L into in bracket R plus L.
Volume of cylinder.
Volume of cylinder is equals to pi R square H.
Volume of cone.
Volume of cone is equals to 1/3 pi R square H.
Surface area of sphere.
Surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi R square.
Surface area of hemisphere.
Surface area of hemisphere is equals to 2 pi R square.
Total surface area of hemisphere.
Total surface area of hemisphere is equals to 3 pi R square.
Volume of sphere.
Volume of sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi R cube.
Volume of hemisphere.
Volume of hemisphere is equals to 2 by 3 pi R cube.
Vertical or lateral surface area of cuboid.
Vertical or lateral surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 into in bracket L plus B into H.
Total surface area of cuboid.
Total surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 into in bracket LB plus BH plus LH.
Volume of cuboid.
Volume of cuboid is equals to L into B into H.
Diagonal of cuboid.
Diagonal of cuboid is equals to square root L square plus B square plus H square.
Vertical or lateral surface area of cube.
Vertical or lateral surface area of cube is equals to 4L square.
Total surface area of cube.
Total surface area of cube is equals to 6L square.
Volume of cube.
Volume of cube is equals to L cube.
Diagonal of cube.
Diagonal of cube is equals to root 3 into L.
A square minus b square.
A square minus B square is equals to in bracket A minus B into in bracket A plus B.
A plus b brackets a square.
A plus B brackets square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
A minus b brackets a square.
A minus B brackets square is equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square.
A cube plus b cube.
A cube plus B cube is equals to in bracket A plus B into in bracket A square minus AB plus B square.
A cube minus b cube.
A cube minus B cube is equals to in bracket A minus B into in bracket A square plus AB plus B square.
A plus b brackets a cube.
A plus B brackets cube is equals to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube.
A minus b brackets a cube.
A minus